Welcome back, listeners. You're tuned in to the Machine Talks, Boardroom Chronicles, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. I'm David, and joining me today is Liz.
Thanks, David. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: addressing bias and fairness in AI governance. Artificial intelligence has become increasingly prevalent in our corporate world, but it's crucial to ensure that the decision-making processes are fair and unbiased. Let's dive right in.
Liz, bias in AI systems is a significant concern. Can you shed some light on why it's essential to address this issue within corporations?
Absolutely, David. Artificial intelligence systems are designed to analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions based on patterns and algorithms. However, if the data used to train these systems contains biases, the AI may inadvertently learn and perpetuate those biases. This can result in unfair and discriminatory outcomes that negatively impact individuals and communities. It's not just a matter of social justice. It also affects the reputation and trustworthiness of corporations.
That's a great point, Liz. The consequences of biased AI can be far-reaching, affecting various aspects of our lives, from hiring decisions to loan approvals. So how can corporations incorporate fairness considerations into their governance framework?
Well, David, it starts with establishing diverse and inclusive teams responsible for developing and implementing AI systems. By including individuals from different backgrounds and perspectives, we can mitigate the risk of biased outcomes. These teams can actively challenge assumptions and biases during the design and development stages, ensuring that the AI systems are developed with fairness in mind.
That's an excellent strategy, Liz. Including diverse voices ensures a broader perspective and helps identify and address biases that might otherwise go unnoticed. But what about ongoing monitoring and evaluation of AI systems? How can that promote fairness in decision-making?
Continuous monitoring is crucial, David. It's essential for corporations to establish clear guidelines for auditing AI systems regularly. This involves analyzing the outputs and outcomes of the system to identify any biases that may have emerged over time. By regularly reviewing and updating these systems, corporations can ensure fairness and accountability. Additionally, organizations should encourage feedback from individuals who interact with AI systems to identify potential biases and rectify them promptly.
I completely agree, Liz. Transparency is also vital in addressing bias. Corporations should strive to make their AI systems and decision-making processes transparent to the extent possible. This not only allows for external scrutiny, but also helps build trust among stakeholders. When people understand how AI decisions are made, they can assess the fairness of those decisions and hold corporations accountable if necessary.
Absolutely, David. Additionally, corporations should embrace a culture of ethical AI governance. This means promoting education and awareness within their organizations about the risks and challenges associated with bias in AI systems. By fostering a culture that values fairness and ethical decision-making, corporations can make great strides towards minimizing bias. Training programs and workshops can be conducted to educate employees on bias mitigation techniques and the importance of fairness in AI systems.
That's an excellent point, Liz. It's not just about implementing strategies, but also creating an environment where everyone understands the importance of fairness and bias mitigation. Organizations can establish internal committees or task forces dedicated to AI ethics and governance, comprising members from various departments to ensure comprehensive coverage of perspectives and expertise.
Absolutely, David. It's also crucial for corporations to engage in external partnerships and collaborations to address bias and fairness in AI governance. By working together with academic institutions, nonprofits, and regulatory bodies, corporations can benefit from diverse insights and expertise. These collaborations can also help in setting industry standards and guidelines for AI fairness and promoting collective responsibility.
That's right, Liz. By taking a proactive approach and integrating fairness considerations into their governance frameworks, corporations can not only mitigate the risk of biased outcomes, but also foster trust among customers, employees, and the wider community. Well, that brings us to the end of our discussion today.
Thank you all for joining us on this extended episode of the Machine Talks, Boardroom Chronicles. We hope you found our conversation about addressing bias and fairness in AI governance informative and thought-provoking. Remember, it's up to all of us to ensure that AI systems work for the benefit of everyone, promoting fairness and equality.
That's right, Liz. And as always, we encourage our listeners to stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology. Until next time,